frame. This one. Oh, my face is so like different colour to my hand. I'm gonna do this. Ready? Oh. Welcome back to my channel, and so I thought today I would do a kind of like get ready with me, I'd say like everyday makeup, but then I don't really have everyday makeup. I have like, I use the same like foundations roughly, eyebrow products, but then like eyeshadows are like different each time. I don't really stick to a certain colour or anything, but yeah. So let's get started. Yeah, so I'm just kind of organising everything. I use not necessarily cat ears, but just something with a headband to hold my makeup back when I do my makeup. I've just realised I said to hold my makeup back when I do my makeup, but I mean to hold my hair back. I used my Body Shop stuff that gets like your dead skin off. I've toned and used toner. Where's my primer? Oh no! I've literally just laid everything out as well the right way. I've got like this. So like, this is the Body Shop Vitamin C Skin Boost Instant Smoother. Hey, wait. I found it. I'm gonna use my Bare Minerals Bare Skin. I don't know if you can see it, but look. I don't know if you can see on my nose, but you can tell that it like kind of doesn't sit well on my nose. I might have to use a different foundation, like a tiny bit over the top. Just this one, because this one's a bit thicker. This is the Maybelline Super Stay. Right, so after foundation, I don't always use concealer, but I feel like for the purpose of this video I should. So my go-to concealer is probably the Naked Skin. The camera's outside. Right. So I'm gonna go on to brows now. So I keep hearing people move around and I get very stressed. I used to use like, so I have this pomade. Can you focus? I mean, no, Revolution Pro, but I've kind of gone back to like using like a natural, not natural, but like filled in with a pencil rather than pomade, because it looks more natural than pomade does. And it doesn't like make it look drastic. And if it's like a day-to-day look, then I don't feel like I want to use pomade every day on my brows. It's quite heavy. So this is my kind of brows look. It's very simple. It takes like 2 minutes, but it's just filling in little gaps. It's not massively trying to make them too dramatic. It's just quite simple. I can hear someone. I'm actually going to use this. So this, I didn't even say what that brow product was. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. It comes with a spoolie as well at the end. Yeah, so it's very handy. Right. Oh my god, what is... Oh, it's fine. It smells nice. This is Too Faced, and it has... So you get a nice highlight, blush and bronzer. This was in the Christmas collection for 2019. But yeah, so I picked it up like after Christmas, and honestly it comes with the most amazing cute like eyeshadow palette. It comes with two, but then I like the bigger one. It's really cute. I'll show you. I've got it there in a minute. I'll show you. Right, I need a mirror again. My mirror. That's with bronzer. Oh, my face is so like different colour to my hand. That's because I have not tanned in a minute. But then, well, I'm not like self-quarantined, but I feel like I don't want to leave the house to get sick. So I was like, I don't need to fake tan to go anywhere. I'm not going anywhere, so I do not necessarily need to fake tan at all. Save that fake tan. Right. Right, highlight. My favourite, I'm going to say my favourite highlight that I have is the Fenty Beauty Chills. So, I was going to say it's a funny story. It's not a funny story. It's really not funny. When I bought this when I went to Florida last year, and then I was in the villa, I had it on the counter, and then slipped. I screamed. But luckily, so you can, it's not like broken, but you can kind of see it's kind of coming away from the pan at the sides. That's all it did. It only like slightly came away. I was like, oh my god. Like, I would have cried. And I hadn't even used it at that point. Like, it was brand new, and it just fell. And I was like, I'll just have to buy another one. To be fair, I probably wouldn't buy another one. I would just fix it. That's what I did. I just like pressed it gently back in. But yeah, anyway, other than that, I'm not actually going to use that today though. I'm going to use the Get Frosted out of the same palette that I used the bronzer from. So I just think it's cute and subtle. So it's not like... I like to highlight on my Cupid's bow because I have quite a like prominent Cupid's bow anyway, like you can see. I get it from my dad. But yeah, I just like to make it more prominent. Right. What are we doing next? I don't know. Priming my eyelids, eyeshadow. Right. There's no room for the brush now. Oh. I'm going to use a palette that I haven't used in a long time. Actually, I said I was going to show you the Too Faced palette, so I'm going to show you. Ugh! Oh my god. Right. So this is the Too Faced palette. I'm not actually going to use it, but I was just thought I'd show you because it's really pretty. It's like this shade. It's just very pretty. I just really like it. Right. I'm going to use my Naked Urban Decay Heat palette. It's actually not embarrassing. Like, I bought this like when it came out roughly, and look, it just doesn't look touched. There's your face. There's me. No, it just doesn't look like I've touched it at all. I have a little bit, but I feel like I need to use palettes a lot more and like stop buying new palettes and use the ones I actually have. Right. So I'm going to go in with this shade. This is Long. Oh, I'm going in with He Devil, which is a darker red here, and just bringing it out, winging it out a little bit. This, and then I'm just gonna go on the base of my eyelid with, I'm not actually gonna use any colours in this because I know what colour I'm trying to look for, and there's not one of them in the palette. I keep clicking the mouse on the computer and I'm afraid I'm just gonna like stop something. I was looking in here but I don't think there's a colour. I want like let's just look. Oh wait, I know where one is. This is when I look and it's not here. Do I want this? We'll go for it. So I'm going to use Charmed. This is the Huda Nude palette. So I'm going to use this colour. It's like, I wouldn't even know how to describe that. What is it? They're 4 multi-reflective shadows. That's what it is. 4 multi-reflective shadows. Yeah. So. Right. Lips. Nudes. Nudes are the way forward. I'm gonna go for Rock Sand. That sounds like Roxanne, Roxanne, na 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 na, but it's Rock Sand. So it's just an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. So it's kind of like, this is what I say a nude. I think this is a, I was nearly saying that, but then I was like, so I think this is a nude-ish, but it's kind of like a brownie nude. And then I'm literally, I don't even think I'm going to do lashes today because I just don't really want to. I'm going to do some mascara. So I have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but this is like the travel version, and this comes in the Christmas set that I got this year as well. This is my mirror. So I'm gonna do my mascara and then that's everything. And then this is actually a half an hour long video that I need to cut. So let's do that. Setting spray. So I normally actually use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, but then my friend got me the Jeffree Star Morphe setting spray for my birthday, and it's like, you'd think it'd be like a tsh, but it's really like, it's just like, you can't even see that on camera. That's definitely me being a bit dramatic because you can actually see that on camera. I just couldn't see it on my phone when I was recording. The light it is. Oh, it smells so good. So, oh, it's just so light. Sometimes when you have setting sprays, you're just like, but that one, you literally, you don't even like flinch. It's just like, ooh, ooh. So this is the finished look. I think it looks better on camera than it does in real life. I think it's just because my foundation didn't sit. It's okay. It's just a bit cracky and flaky on my nose, but other than that, I think it's alright. Yeah, so this is my It's my what? This is my finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you real soon. Bye!